kind of dirty and smelly and gross in all the right ways, if that makes sense.
That's the way I feel about it too. It is 7 a.m. I am waiting for my buddy Birdie, and we are headed off to Wolf Creek, Colorado. We got a brief little small dusting of snow. It's gonna be beautiful. Check it out. This is gonna be a review of Wolf Creek Ski Resort. Colorado Ken and Birdie up here once again. We're gonna show you everything. Ow! There's no wind up here, super sunny, the best snow in Colorado. And what a beautiful, gorgeous day it is. This is what I'm looking at. Birdie's right in front of me. We got a dusting of about an inch of powder. So far, Wolf Creek is fantastic. A lot of tree trails. It's a lot of fun here. Awesome day. Woo! Woo! Oh, that was great. Super duper great. Here comes Birdie down the mountain. I shall follow. Woo! This is the base area down here at Wolf Creek Ski Resort. That's the lodge. Okay, Birdie, you go to this mountain all the time. What is it that you like about Wolf Creek?
I think it's some of the best tree skiing in Colorado. They don't thin them out a ton, so it's pretty natural skiing. You get some of the most snow in Colorado. It's just a great little mountain. you can find fresh days after a storm. It's a good family little place. Doesn't feel cookie cutter and corporate, you know. It's kind of dirty and smelly and gross in all the right ways, if that makes sense.
That's the way I feel about it too. It seems like a homegrown, down-to-earth mountain. This is where, you know, a hippie might want to come and ride. They would love it. A lot of snow, good people, seen a lot of dreadlocks. Getting some storm clouds now. This is the weather in Colorado. I'm hoping that we get some snow to dump here. It's late in the afternoon, but I'm always hoping for snow. Always hoping for snow. That's it, the day is done. We did Wolf Creek, Colorado. It was just as I expected, nice and wonderful. Beautiful tree trails. The snow is fantastic. Had good mogul runs all the way around that were just great. And the people were very nice too. So I really like Wolf Creek. Hit it up.